Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. You need to start by opening Settings and clicking on Connected Devices. Now click on Connection Preferences at the bottom and tap on Printing section at the top. Now you can click on Default Print Service right away or select Add Service and download the best one for you. I will go with HP1. When your printing service is ready, you need to click on the back button twice. Now tap on one of your services. I will go with HP1. Click on this switcher if it's not already on and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!